Welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to use HeyGen AI, a tool that turns your text into talking videos automatically. This is perfect if you want to grow your YouTube channel, promote affiliate products, or make money from content without ever showing your face.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucas AI Academy, where we turn AI tools into real income, helping you save hours of work every week. If you love exploring new ways to create content faster, smarter, and even turn your creativity into money, then you're in the right place. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and grab my free gift, a list of the 10 most powerful AI tools available today that help you automate workflows, create videos in bulk, and start earning with affiliate marketing. I've pinned the download link right below this video in the description. Now, let me ask you something. If I told you that you could turn a simple piece of text, or even just a selfie, into a talking AI video in only a few minutes, would you believe it? Sounds crazy, right? Watch this video till the end, because I'll show you step by step how to create your first AI avatar using HeyGen AI. And at the end, I'll reveal a secret that most professional YouTubers still don't know. It'll make your videos look like they were shot in a real studio with a professional host. Let's get started. The first step is to create a free account on HeyGen. Just scroll down and click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to HeyGen's official website. Once you're there, click Get Started for free. You can log in using your Google account, Apple ID, or simply enter your email. I'll choose Google because it's fast and secure. And that's it. In just a few seconds, your account is created. No credit card required, no complicated setup. When you log in, you'll see different account plans. Let me explain them quickly so you understand. Free plan: create up to 3 videos per month, each up to 3 minutes long, and export in 720p quality. Creator plan: unlimited videos in full HD 1080p, perfect for YouTube creators. Team plan includes 4K video, faster exports, and team collaboration. Enterprise plan: designed for businesses or studios that need large-scale production. If you're just getting started or testing things out, the free plan is more than enough. You can make 3 videos a month to practice or post on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. And here's a little tip: many people use HeyGen to make short videos for affiliate marketing. They create a short clip with an AI avatar, introduce a product they like, and then add their affiliate link in the description. It's a super fast way to start earning money on YouTube, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. After creating your account, you'll enter the HeyGen dashboard. This is where you manage everything: videos, avatars, templates, and projects. It's like your own mini video studio, powered completely by AI. The next step is to choose your avatar, the virtual character who will appear in your video and speak your lines. So, what is an avatar? It's an AI-generated presenter that can move, talk, and express emotions like a real human. You can choose one that looks like you or pick a completely different style. HeyGen offers plenty of options. Use your own face, upload a photo or a short video, and HeyGen will automatically create a digital version of you. Choose a pre-made avatar. There are tons of models: professional, friendly, animated, or even cartoon style. If you choose to use your own face, HeyGen makes it move and talk naturally. Your avatar will blink, smile, and lip sync perfectly with the voice. It's impressive, like watching yourself in a real video. To create a custom avatar, just record a short video of yourself, around 30 seconds to 2 minutes, in good lighting while speaking naturally. HeyGen will automatically process it and create your digital twin. If you're camera shy, that's okay too. You can use a photo avatar, a static image in Pixar or anime style. Just upload a picture, and HeyGen will make it talk and move. You can even describe what you want so AI can design your avatar for you. For example, a friendly tech teacher, a modern business owner, or a cyberpunk-style influencer, and the system will create it for you. After selecting your photo or video, you can adjust the orientation portrait if you plan to post on YouTube Shorts or
Avatar
TikTok.
4 allows you to turn a
Landscape if you're making a longer video for YouTube. The style section offers various themes like studio lighting, minimalist, or cyberpunk. Then click Generate Preview, wait about 30 seconds, and voila, your avatar comes to life right in front of you. Amazing, right? You can create multiple
Hello,
avatars
everyone.
for different
Linda
types of
Thompson.
content, for example, one for tutorials, one for tool reviews, one as a show host, and another for fun, short videos. Keep an eye on your usage limit at the top. The free plan lets you create 3 videos per month, so plan your uploads wisely. And don't forget this, YouTube doesn't need perfection, it needs consistency. Jim Rohn once said, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. If you just upload one AI video every week, you're already ahead of 90% of people who never start. Now that we've got the avatar, let's add the voice and the script to turn it into a complete video. First, select the avatar you want to use if you want to switch or change avatars. Simply click the profile picture on the left and select again. Next, go to the voice section. This is where you decide which voice will be attached to your avatar. HeyGen has an incredibly diverse voice library, offering many languages and tones from professional, cheerful, and soft-spoken voices to advertising or teacher-style ones. You can also upload your own voice to clone it. Just upload a short recording of 30 to 60 seconds, and the AI will learn your tone and speech pattern, allowing your avatar to speak just like you up to 90% accurate. This feature is super useful if you want to build a personal brand while saving time from recording videos yourself. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel, you can experiment with different voices for each niche. For example, a deep voice for tech topics, a warm tone for health videos, or a young voice for entertainment. After picking a voice, click Preview to listen. If it sounds good, hit Apply Voice. Now comes the script. This is the soul of your video. You can write it yourself or let HeyGen generate it for you using AI. For example, I'll type in a short script. Hey friends, welcome back to Lucas AI Academy today. I'm going to show you how to use HeyGen AI, a tool that turns your text into talking videos automatically. This is perfect if you want to grow your YouTube channel, promote affiliate products, or make money from content without ever showing your face. After entering your script, you can select an emotion for the avatar, such as friendly, enthusiastic, or calm to match the tone of the voice. Then click Generate Video. HeyGen will start processing. You'll see the progress bar on the right showing the percentage. This usually takes about 1 minute for short videos. And here it is, our video is ready. My avatar is speaking exactly the script I just entered.
Welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to use HeyGen AI, a tool that turns your text into talking videos automatically. This is perfect if you want to grow your YouTube channel.
The lip movements and eye expressions are so natural that if you didn't know, you'd think it was a real person talking on camera. Pretty impressive, right? You can download this video by clicking Download, or make further edits directly in HeyGen's built-in editor. Let's try a slightly more advanced project, creating a multi-scene video. Now you can add multiple scenes, each with a different avatar or background. For example, Scene 1. The character Jack introduces the topic. Scene 2, another avatar demonstrates an example. Scene 3, a closing scene with a call to action, CTA. If you want smoother transitions, add transition effects. HeyGen includes several options like fade, slide, zoom, or cut. You just drag and drop between scenes, choose the effect, and preview the result. The cool thing is that HeyGen works just like professional video editors such as Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve, but way simpler. You don't need editing experience, just a few clicks. When you're done, you can add automatic captions by clicking Captions. HeyGen will automatically detect the voice, display synchronized subtitles, and you can even change the color, font, or position of the captions on the screen. If your goal is to make money on YouTube, captions are incredibly important. They make your videos more accessible, increase watch time, and YouTube rewards videos that offer a better viewer experience. Another quick tip when you download your video, upload it to YouTube Shorts with hashtags. And don't forget to add your affiliate link or the link to your AI tools list that you're giving your viewers in the description. That's how you automate your revenue every time your video gets views. When the video's finished, you can review it by clicking Play Preview. You'll see your avatar saying, "Hey, welcome to a brand new HeyGen video. Check out the link in the description." Sounds natural and professional, right? And the best part, everything you just saw can be done with the free plan. In summary, we just went through the whole process. Create a free account. Choose or create an avatar. Add a voice. Write a script. Generate and download your video. And it only takes a few minutes to complete. Before we wrap up, I want to share that little secret I promised at the start of this video. If you want your videos to look more alive, combine HeyGen with an AI script writing tool like Gemini or ChatGPT to generate trending topics. Then, drop that script into HeyGen and you'll have a new video every day without ever filming yourself. This is the strategy many faceless YouTube channels are using to earn thousands of dollars per month with pure AI content. And remember, don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below which AI tool you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video from Lucas AI Academy.